Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Milwaukee power tools that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Milwaukee 2457-20 M12 cordless subcompact ratchet. This tool is designed for precision and convenience, offering a compact solution for tight spaces. With an impressive 35 feet-pounds of torque and a low-profile head design, this ratchet is perfect for automotive or mechanical work where space is at a premium. The recessed forward-backward switch prevents accidental activations, while the built-in LED light ensures you can work effectively even in dimly lit environments. When it comes to design, the 2457-20 is lightweight at just 1 pound, making it easy to maneuver. The onboard fuel gauge is a thoughtful touch, letting you know how much battery life remains. It also features Milwaukee's RedLink intelligence, which protects the tool from overheating and ensures it operates efficiently. Note that this tool doesn't include a battery, so you'll need to purchase one separately if you don't already own an M12 battery. In terms of performance, the variable speed trigger gives you excellent control over your work. This is particularly useful for delicate or intricate tasks. While it's not the most powerful tool on our list, it's highly specialized for compact spaces. The downside? It's limited to smaller applications and doesn't come with a battery or charger. But if you need a reliable, precision-focused ratchet, this is a fantastic option. Coming in at number 4 is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/2 High Torque Impact Wrench. This powerful tool is designed for heavy-duty applications, delivering a whopping 1,000 feet-pounds of fastening torque and 1,000 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, industrial projects, or construction tasks, this impact wrench is built to handle it all. The 4-mode drive control offers precision, allowing you to adjust the output to suit the task at hand, while the compact and ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. The build quality of this tool is exceptional, featuring an all-metal drivetrain and a durable friction ring for quick socket changes. It's compatible with all M18 batteries, which makes it a versatile addition to your Milwaukee collection. The brushless power state motor not only delivers high performance but also ensures a longer lifespan for the tool. Additionally, the RedLink Plus intelligence system protects the tool from overheating, overloading, and over-discharging. However, at 5.94 pounds, it's not the lightest tool out there, and it's best suited for professionals or those with demanding applications. While it's not the cheapest option, its performance and durability justify the investment. If you're looking for a high-torque wrench that can tackle the toughest jobs, this one is a top contender. In second place, we have the Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel 2-Tool Combo Kit. This kit combines two of Milwaukee's most popular tools, the hammer drill and the impact driver. The hammer drill delivers unmatched power, capable of tackling a wide range of applications with ease, while the impact driver offers the fastest driving speeds in its class. Together, they form a versatile and powerful duo that can handle almost any job you throw at them. The build quality is top-notch, as you'd expect from Milwaukee. Both tools feature a brushless motor for extended lifespan and improved efficiency. The mechanical clutch on the hammer drill ensures consistent performance, while the impact driver's 4-mode drive control lets you adjust speed and power for precise results. The kit also includes 2 M18 red lithium batteries, which provide excellent runtime and durability. This combo kit is an excellent choice for those who want a compact and portable solution for drilling and driving tasks. While it's not as comprehensive as the 7-tool combo kit, it offers exceptional performance at a more accessible price point. If you're building your tool collection or need a reliable set for general use, this kit is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18V 7-Tool Combo Kit. This is the ultimate power tool kit for professionals, offering everything you need to take on a wide variety of tasks. The kit includes a hammer drill, impact driver, Sawzall reciprocating saw, circular saw, grinder, mid-torque impact wrench, and LED work light. Each of these tools is powered by Milwaukee's M18 Fuel technology, which delivers class-leading performance and durability. The design and build quality are exceptional, with each tool featuring a brushless power state motor for longer life and improved efficiency. Highlights include the Hammer Drill's auto stop feature for enhanced safety, the Impact Driver's tri-LED lighting for maximum visibility, and the Circular Saw's incredible cutting power. The two included red lithium 5.0 amp-hour batteries provide excellent runtime, and the charger ensures you're always ready to go. The kit also comes with 2 durable contractor bags for easy transport. This combo kit is best suited for professionals or serious DIYers who need a comprehensive set of tools for a wide range of applications. While it's a significant investment, the value you get in terms of performance, versatility, and efficiency is unmatched. If you want the best of the best, this 7-tool combo kit is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.